Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to do screen mirroring from your phone Samsung Galaxy A33 with your Android TV. First of all, in your phone, go to settings icon and here select connections and go to mobile hotspot and tethering and tap on mobile hotspot here. And yes, mobile hotspot is created, and if you would like to set a password, click over mobile hotspot and click on password and set security here and type here 8 characters password. Okay, either letters or numbers or combination of letters or numbers. Okay, as I don't need any password because I am going to show a demo. If I do password here, if I set a password, it will take somewhat longer time to connect. Okay, so I don't set, but it is recommended to use a password. Okay, after setting up your password, just go to your TV and select settings. Okay, select settings and go to additional settings here and go to network and internet here and turn on Wi-Fi here, and you will be receiving mobile hotspot signal here. Just click it, and if you have set in a password, after clicking here you will be asked to enter your password to connect. Okay, I don't need any password because I didn't set any password, so it will be directly connected. Okay, in your case, if in case you set a password, it will be asking here itself, and after giving it, then only your TV will be connected to your phone through hotspot. Yes, now successful connection made, and now come to your come to your phone and go to Google Play Store and search Google Home. Search term Google Home. Okay, and install this Google Home app. Okay, just click on install and wait few seconds for downloading and installing. You should have active internet connection for downloading and installing. Okay, just wait and click on open and click on get started. Click on next and give permission. Again, here you go to select email ID, any email ID. Okay, I have only one email ID that is displaying here. If you have multiple email ID in your phone, that will be displaying here, and you have to choose anyone. Okay, click on OK after that, and click on allow nearby devices next, and give permission here, and allow location access to. Click next and give permission. And now it is important step. Your phone is asking you to turn on Wi-Fi, but don't do it because your created mobile hotspot connection will be lost. Okay, mobile hotspot will be disconnected, so don't do it. Instead, just close this Google Home app and again open either from Play Store or from home page of your phone, and you will see the magic now. And here go to devices and you will find a TV signal here, that is Android TV. Just click it and click on cast my screen and click on cast screen and click on start. Now your phone screen now will be mirrored to TV. See, so what is displaying in my phone, that is also seen in my TV. Okay, if you would like to adjust the volume, what you have to do is use this white circle to move it in the clockwise direction to increase volume. Okay, volume is increased now. To decrease volume, you go to move this white circle in counterclockwise direction. Okay, now go to home screen and open anything in your phone. Okay, there is also displaying in your TV. I open camera in my phone, that is also seen in my TV. So in this way you can easily screen mirror, that is you can exactly mirror your screen to your TV. So if you are playing any music file in your phone itself, you can play, and that will be playing in your TV too. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye bye.